We're in Minnesota for the first time street racing. I love it. We're here for another event. It's like 11:30 at night, and we're gonna see some cars throw down. $150 buy-in. I think there's like a dozen cars or so. We got here a little bit late, so they're gonna do chip draw, drive to the spot. We'll check out a few racers, and then hit the street. I know you're in a hurry, so I'm just going to interview while you're filling up your car.
Yeah.
How much power is the Audi?
I'm not sure, but probably 800-900 wheel.
Okay. I hear this road's not great, so it should be good for all-wheel drive cars.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes.
What are the main mods to the TTRS?
It's got a 69mm Zona rotor.
Okay.
Untested. I launched it once last night on the street for the first time.
Just a bunch of roll racing.
Yeah, just to make sure it's gonna launch. So.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah. Good luck.
Thanks, man.
All right, we got the big block Nova here. That's all I know about big block and twin.
Yep, 540 twin 88s.
540 twin 88s. Okay,
yep.
What transmission are we working with?
It's a Turbo 400 Hughes Pro Mod. Yeah, last year I won this race.
Oh, really? This
Had to
cash
buy-
days?
Yeah, I had to buy back in because I blew the tires off first round.
Gotcha, gotcha. No buybacks this time.
No buybacks this time. Yeah.
How much power we're working with?
I'd made 2461 on 26 pounds on the hub dyno down at Red
That's
Lock.
on kill?
That's no. That's only 26 pounds it made for boost.
And what do you run at the track for boost?
I've been as high as it's seen 29.
Okay. Okay, so she makes some steam.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just hard. It's almost 3,700 pounds, so it's hard to get it to.
Gotcha.
Unless it's a sticky track.
It needs a little power.
It needs a little prep.
Well, we'll see what you can do on the street tonight, man. Good luck to you.
Appreciate it.
Absolutely.
You got a beautiful 720S here.
Yes, sir.
You said it's slow.
Yep.
I'm sure in the 8th mile on a prep track, probably, but
On a big
maybe
track.
on this road. That's a beautiful. What's the name of that color?
Tokyo Cyan Blue.
Tokyo Cyan Blue. It's sweet. Good luck tonight.
Heck yeah.
This thing's pretty sweet. What year is it? Oh, sorry.
87.
Okay. What's the component of the hood? Well, there's no hood.
Just an aluminum 5.3.
The single?
Yep. No, twins.
Oh, it's twins. Okay.
Yeah.
How big are turbos?
72.
All right. Well, good luck.
Thanks, man.
Very interesting turnout. A little different than what we're used to. We got an exotic. We got an all-wheel drive Audi. We got an S10, a Nova, an RX-7 with the LS in it, a Love truck, and a couple Fox bodies. Of course, there's Fox bodies here. Small pot. I think it's like $2,000, something like that. $150 buy-in, some spectator money. Let's go hit the street. See what happens.
All right, we are going to inspect the road here. This is what we're working with. First thing I notice, no curbs. We got nice wide-ish road. Nice lighting at the starting line. This is great. Get that little red light right at the end is the finish line.
First pair out, we have this S10 versus this Pontiac Le Mans. 4-door, bench seats. A little bit of a sleeper here. This is going to be an interesting first pair.
Easy money for the eBay Performance S10 in the right lane. All right, guys, who you got? You got the FC RX-7 or you got the Love truck? Which one? Looked like the Love got a little squirrely and got out of it on that one. So FC RX-7 moving on.
Oh no, the Fox bodies had to race each other first round. Darn.
right, the Fox body in the left lane, after his burnout or during his burnout, he shredded his belt. And the other guy was nice enough to give him 5 minutes to go try to fix it and come back, and they'll actually run the race. In the meantime, we're going to run the next pairing. Anyway, we got a Fox body in the left lane. In the right lane, we got a TTRS. And then, oh no, they put a bunch of water down. So the Fox body, he's got some leak going on, so they backed that up, and they asked the TT guy if he wanted to give him 5 minutes. He said sure. So that's 2 races in a row that the one guy is nice enough to give their opponent 5 minutes to fix their car. They don't have to. They get to say, nah, I'm good. Alright, so the Fox body's not doing a burn on this one. I don't know if he just doesn't think the car's gonna last or what, but here we go. Alright, TTRS for the win by at least a couple cars, and he will be moving on to the next round. And now we're doing our other rerun race. Dear Lord, left lane just drove out of his life. But left lane, freight train that guy. He got squirrely on the big end too, got out of it, got back in it, was still able to win by a couple cars. All right, next up, we got the big block twin turbo Nova going up against this black S10. It looks like an LS turbo deal, not really sure yet. Nova takes home the win on that one. Looks like the S10 just kind of blew the tires off from the beginning, and the Nova just went right around him.
Next pair is 720S versus Ford Maverick. Interesting pairing.
Very rarely do I say McLaren at a cash days. Even more rarely do I say McLaren moving on at a cash days. McLaren is moving on to the second round. That's going to do it for our first round. I think we're going to talk to a couple racers. I'll take you back to the round 2 of action here in a little bit, so stay tuned. All right, how'd that go for
That was
first round?
terrible.
You won, but you were a little squirrely there on the big end a little bit. You had to get out of
I was
it.
pedaling it. It's only got 2 more pounds than what the gates are at 6. So.
Really?
So I got to figure something out. Pull more.
What pair were you there?
5th.
Okay. So there should have been a decent little bit of rubber,
Yeah,
at least a little bit of
been.
rubber down by the time you went.
It should have been.
So maybe turn it down to gates.
I
Or
might have.
start changing springs.
I didn't bring any of the way up.
Gotcha.
I'm going to take some out of the tire because that didn't really wrinkle much, and then pull a little more timing retard in it.
Gotcha. Well, good luck to you.
All right.
Hell yeah.
Appreciate it.
Based off first round, I'd say you're the fastest car here.
I'm trying to be.
Things might change.
Yeah.
And I knew when I showed up here and saw this thing, I was like, this truck might take this race.
Yeah.
How big's the turbo on this thing?
It's a 94 104.
It got quite a bit bigger recently.
Yes. A little bit bigger, yeah.
Is it a 6 liter?
4.8 stock bottom end.
A 4.8?
Yep. 4.8 stock bottom end.
Okay, you can do some crazy things with 4.8s.
Yeah, it does just over 700 horsepower, but maybe under 1,300 too. So it's where we're at, you know. So
You've been thinking about this interview.
yeah.
Good luck in second round.
I need it, but I owe Steve one, so he's got it coming right now. So.
Hell yeah.
How did the first round go for you? For like you spun a little
Spun
bit?
too hard and got stuck in front wheel drive, so I just pedaled it all the way out.
Gotcha.
So hopefully I can get some traction and keep it in all wheel drive. So.
We don't even know if your guy's coming up here too, because he shredded belt and then he came back and then he shredded it more, and he might not have another belt. So you might have a buy run here. You could get lucky.
I hope so, because I need it.
You need some data.
That's the second pass on the car. So.
It is 1:06 in the morning right now. We have till 1:20 when they call second round. The Fox body is still trying to figure out how to get a belt to stay on the car. Had the belt fly off. I don't know if it overheated or what, but just pushed a ton of water out, covering the entire top of the car. So they've got a bunch of different scientists over here seeing if they can get this thing fixed to make a pass in second round and not water down the track. Will the belt stay on long enough to go down the 8th mile?
We'll find out.
Crossed.
Yeah. Good enough to send it one more time at least.
Ladies first. All right, and the rest of you goons, jump in there.
Get a bigger bag.
One fist at a time, guys. Jeez.
Two-fisted. Two-fisted.
I got you. All right, first pair, second round just rolled up. We got the McLaren in the right lane, and we got the RX-7 in the left lane. I know what you're thinking, guys. There's no way that McLaren is beating this RX-7. And I would probably think the same thing too. But anything can happen at any race at any given time. No way. All right, that's kind of how I thought it would go. If this was a roll race, that McLaren would have a good fight, but he will not be moving on. RX-7 is.
Now's a great time to tell you about our new Don't Jump, Don't Cross, Don't Cry If You Lost shirt, inspired by BJ the Flagman, down in Orleans, down at the pad. We got it right here. Here's the front of it. We'll put the back of it right here. Check it out at 1320video.com. Links in the description below. You already know where to find that.
We got the Fox body in the right lane and the TTRS in the left lane. Which one do you got? We got all-wheel drive TT and makes some good power. Well, Fox body takes home the win on that one. I saw something fly off one of the cars. Looks like just a shop rag came off one of the cars. But anyway, the Fox body moving on to the next round. And our last pair of the second round in the left lane. We got the big block twin turbo Nova, and in the right lane, we have the eBay Performance S10. That looked like the closest race of the night, and I think the Nova took it. They might need to look at it.
Left lane, car.
Left lane, Nova took it. We got a Nova, a Fox body, and an RX-7 in the semifinals.
Coming in hot.
That was a little better.
Nice work. Nice work. Yeah, after first round, I was like, I don't know if anybody's gonna touch this S10.
I left in second there. That helped.
No.
Still a little skatey.
Yeah, I could see both of you were a little over.
Yeah, I'm used to radials. They're a little more safer.
Yeah. Well, they had to tow the Mustang back. Must have blown another belt. Hopefully it doesn't have water all over the place this time. Another belt?
It's another belt. You ever seen anything like this?
A few times. It's not street racing.
Great. No, the fan's up front.
Is that so you have another belt?
Yep.
Or, okay.
Yeah, so we're just using half of our
That's
belt
hilarious.
that we got there.
Because they split on us.
Our alignment for alternator crank is not ideal.
Gotcha.
Not sure what happened, but I think security might have spotted a cop. So we're all getting off the road. Trying to be inconspicuous with all these cars in this parking lot. We'll see what happens.
Cops are flying the drone at the gas station earlier.
Oh. No.
This is in Cloudville.
10-4.
Get everything off the starting line, all the lights. We got cops coming out both sides.
Oh shit, they're here.
Don't run! Don't run! Don't run!
Apparently the cops were flying a drone at a gas station a little bit ago. I saw it on someone's Snapchat, and that might be them. Someone just showed me a Snapchat of a drone and said the cops are flying it at.
So that could be the cops.
Hey Matt, the cops are here.
That'd be new.
Yeah. Is that a cop down there?
Haven't gotten that on the trailer so bad.
That looks like a cop. I see a light bar on top.
Right there. You can't see that, but man, I gotta pack all this shit.
20, drive that bitch right into the trailer and it'll run to the
All right, all the racers have spoken together. There's 3 racers left, and they all decided that they're going to split the money. They're too worried about the police being upset here. All the backup spots are within a few miles of each other, so the chances of the same cop showing up are pretty high.
How about 5 for the 5 minutes?
You guys broke?
He kind of broke.
All right, not the way we wanted to end it. Short cash days here in Minnesota. Hopefully we can come back and see one again. We've got a lot of fans up here, really nice people. The Fox body that can't keep the belt on, the RX-7, LS RX-7, and the Nova are going to take home $700 a piece. And that's going to do it for this video. If you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.